To put it briefly, yes. The response is indeed yes overall. That is, unless you become rather proficient. Most people ask what the big deal is and do random push-ups when they do not feel jacked. But why? Building muscle with your body weight doesn't require more effort. Everything revolves around increased efficiency. Today, we'll break down the 3 key processes needed for growth: progressive overload, structure, and a growth-promoting diet. Moreover, the Bodivy team's go-to potion for surviving demanding sessions without feeling like you've been hit by a truck will also be revealed. Let's start straightforwardly. 1. Progressive overload. If you want muscle, you must progressively raise the level of effort your body is asked to perform. Every week, you should increase the degree of effort, strain, and resistance. For calisthenics, it's not about adding a barbell. Instead, your journey involves increasing your body awareness. For example, you might start with regular push-ups, progress to archer push-ups, and eventually move to pseudo-planche push-ups. To keep your muscles under tension, slow down your pace and hold the positions for longer periods. You can also use external resistance to raise the intensity of your workouts. Adding a heavy backpack or a weight vest are great examples. Sometimes all it takes is a cleaner, slower, and more controlled execution of the same movements. This is often the most underappreciated aspect of muscle building. Whether you go harder, do more repetitions, or finish one more set, endurance is key. Endurance is everything. Creativity also helps in pushing your limits. Regarding supplements, creatine remains one of the most consistent and well-researched choices for muscle development. Progressive overload, in turn, requires the development of endurance and strength, which increases performance during high-intensity training by itself. 2. Structure and consistency. 100 push-ups a week won't cut it. Consistency and smart programming are essential. If you want to see true development, you need to train consistently, not just once and then skip for the rest of the week. Luckily, calisthenics helps speed up recovery compared to lifting heavy weights. Capitalize on this advantage. Train your muscles 2 to 3 times a week. You can either go for a full body workout or break it into smaller segments. The key is to track your sets and repetitions, developing a sense of where you're starting and where you want to go. Aim to make small improvements weekly, whether it's better form, longer holds, or more repetitions. Each workout doesn't have to be a maximum effort challenge. The goal is to store some energy in the tank so you can train consistently without burning out. One long, haphazard workout is never better than consistent, shorter sessions. 3. Diet and nutrition. Even if you follow the best workout regimen without proper nutrition, you won't see significant muscle gains. You need to eat more calories than your body burns each day to build muscle. Without a consistent calorie surplus, muscular development cannot occur. Protein intake is also essential. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. This will ensure your muscles have the amino acids necessary for repair and growth. Simplicity works here. Stick to a consistent eating schedule and keep serving sizes moderate. Add protein to every meal. This dietary approach will meet most of your muscle building needs. To support overall health and recovery, also consider including nutrient-dense foods to fuel energy levels and improve exercise performance. And yes, creatine is another excellent tool to support muscle development. So, yes, calisthenics can help you build muscle, but only if you approach them with a serious mindset. Progressive overload, smart training structure, and a diet that supports muscle growth will help you reach your goals. But this approach only works if you are committed to raising your body weight. That's it for now. If you want to develop muscle through calisthenics, follow these key principles. In the next video, I'll dive deeper into how to keep pushing those limits. See you then.